Old Doctor's Recipe. This 5 foods that help or harm thyroid health. Did you know that what you eat can make or break your thyroid health? In this video, we'll uncover 5 specific foods that can either help or harm your thyroid function. These are insights that have been shared through generations of medical wisdom, and they could change the way you approach your diet. Thyroid disorders affect millions of people worldwide, and dietary choices play a crucial role in managing these conditions. Let's dive into the foods that can either support your thyroid health or sabotage it. Foods that help thyroid health. Iodine-rich foods. Iodine is essential for the production of thyroid hormones. Seaweed, such as kelp, and fish like cod are rich in iodine. Including these foods can help maintain proper thyroid function. Scientific insight. Studies show that iodine deficiency can lead to goiter and hypothyroidism, so ensuring adequate intake is vital. Selenium-rich foods. Selenium is another key nutrient that supports thyroid health. Brazil nuts and eggs are excellent sources. Scientific insight. Research indicates that selenium helps convert the inactive thyroid hormone into the active form, crucial for metabolism and energy. Zinc-rich foods. Zinc is important for the synthesis of thyroid hormones. Foods like shellfish, pumpkin seeds, and legumes are great sources. Scientific insight. Zinc deficiency has been linked to impaired thyroid function, so incorporating these foods can be beneficial. Foods that harm thyroid health. Goiterogenic foods. While these foods are healthy in moderation, they contain compounds called goitrogens, which can interfere with iodine uptake by the thyroid. This includes soy products like tofu and cruciferous vegetables such as broccoli and kale. Scientific insight. For those with existing thyroid issues, it's best to cook these vegetables, as cooking reduces goitrogen content. Highly processed foods. Processed foods can contribute to inflammation and weight gain, negatively impacting thyroid health. Foods high in sugar and refined carbohydrates can exacerbate thyroid dysfunction. Scientific insight. A diet high in processed foods has been associated with increased risk of thyroid disorders, highlighting the importance of a balanced, whole food diet. If you're finding these food insights helpful, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on improving your health naturally. Your support really helps me share more valuable information with you. Conclusion. In summary, the foods you choose can significantly impact your thyroid health. Incorporating iodine, selenium, and zinc-rich foods while being mindful of goitrogens and processed foods can help support your thyroid function. Making small dietary changes can lead to big improvements in your health, so consider how these foods fit into your meals. If you found this video insightful, don't miss my next one where I'll share 5 exercises that can help boost your thyroid function naturally. These simple moves could make a world of difference in how you feel, so stay tuned.